Welcome to North Hills, where you'll find some of the best shopping, dining, and entertainment in Raleigh. And my newest listing is just minutes away. And it's in one of the hottest locations. Let's go check it out. This secure condo has its own fob access, secure parking garage with your own personal spot, and an oversized storage unit. With this condo, you're not only in a fantastic location, but this is one of the few condo units in North Hills, and they never come available. So this is a real treat. The moment you walk in, you're invited into this warm and welcoming open floor plan. You have a beautiful dining room area with crown molding, wainscoting. The floor plan in this 2-bed, 2-bath condo is ideal for hosting or for just hanging out in a cozy night in. You have just under 1,200 square feet and a beautiful kitchen area with seating for friends or family that want to hang out while you're cooking. You have a nice refrigerator, plenty of cabinet space, electric stovetop, and your laundry room hidden right back there. Let's check out the main living area, which has a whole wall of windows, letting in so much natural light. Now let's check out your primary bedroom and ensuite bath. And a secret hidden second bedroom and bathroom, so your guests can have all the privacy they need. How cool is that? This condo is the best of both worlds, and like I said, these do not come up often, so don't miss your opportunity to view this one. If you want to schedule a private tour, reach out to us at the Coley Group today.